ChatGPT just got a massive upgrade. You can now use apps directly inside your chat. So now using ChatGPT, Spotify can create playlists, Canva can design slides, Booking.com can find hotels, and Zillow can show homes, all without leaving ChatGPT. You simply type what you need, like Spotify, make me a playlist for my party, and it instantly appears in chat with interactive results. These apps also respond to context. If you're talking about vacations, ChatGPT might automatically suggest Expedia or Booking.com to help plan your trip. Also, developers can now build their own apps using the new Apps SDK, built on the Model Context Protocol, an open standard that connects ChatGPT to real tools and data. They can design custom interfaces, connect their backends, and reach over 800 million ChatGPT users directly inside conversations. More partners like Uber, Peloton, Target, and OpenTable are joining soon. This update transforms ChatGPT from an AI chat assistant into a full app platform, blending conversation with real interaction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss what's coming next.